Hello friends, welcome to the channel Crux of Life. Our today's topic is good habits for daily life. I strongly feel that they are the good habits that everyone should adopt to be more successful. These routines will help us create success for the rest of our lives. They are the tools we need to live life to the fullest. Rule number 1. Be an early riser. Here you will be benefited like you tend to be more persistent. You will feel more resistant to fatigue, frustration and difficulties. It leads to lower level of anxiety and lower level of depression. Early rising show higher level of satisfaction and less likelihood of substance abuse. Rule number 2. Benefits of doing exercise daily. We need physical activities to stay healthy. The benefits of regular exercise are well documented. We need to find out exercise routines that are fun and match our individual tastes. It helps us to reduce body fat, increases lifespan, oxygenate body, strengthens muscles, reduces diabetic risks. It strengthens our heart, clears arteries, maintains mobility, improves memory, improves coordination, strengthens bone, detoxifies body, decreases stress, boosts immune system, lower blood pressure, reduces cancer risks, and many more are there. Rule number 3 is to maintain proper hygiene. You really can dress for success. Habits like brushing teeth twice a day and washing your hands regularly not only contributes to health but also leads to routine that gives one a sharper appearance. First impression is powerful and are mostly derived from a way a person looks. Benefits of maintaining proper hygiene is it can decreases infection rate. It is most important procedure for preventive healthcare acquired infections. It can prevent transmission of bacteria to other healthcare workers and their families. Maintaining proper personal hygiene means that you will look healthier and more attractive to other people. Good personal hygiene will help in the person's overall confidence and self-esteem. Proper personal hygiene maintenance will help the overall health. Rule number 4 is value for time. The benefits of being on time, it shows respect for others' reliability. It shows that you can be trusted. It shows that you are organized and ready to work. It avoids stress and it gets your good reports and promotions. The benefits of time management are you are more productive, it reduces your stress. You improve your self-esteem by being on time and you achieve balance in your life. You achieve milestones, you feel more confident in your ability to get things done, you reach your goals. Rule number 5. Prepare and follow a planner for time management. It's really important to have a planner. You will never miss any appointment. You can keep detailed tasks and to-do lists. Your time is better managed. You'll reduce stress. It helps to improve productivity and focus. You can have more free time. It helps to preserve moments in your life. We can achieve more, less pressure, better planning, better health, better to know, more considered, view in control, better allocation of tasks. Your team will respect you. Things get done on time. It will improve your communication. It will lead to less firefighting. Improve the self-confidence, decreased energy, get a sense of achievement and peace of mind. It will increase your productivity. This will lead to good time management. It will eliminate wastage. To be prepared for forthcoming event, reduce excessive workloads, monitor progress of your goals and aims. It will definitely help you to allocate resources appropriately. Time management ensures that long-term requirements are not neglected when you plan each day, week, month or quarter efficiently. Rule number 6 is balanced diet and healthy eating. Our brain needs the right food to perform at their peak. Don't go to work on an empty stomach. Learning to eat right now can avoid many health issues down the road. Benefits of healthy eating is increased energy level. It improves mood and mental health. It reduced stress. It gives you better sleep, optimal hydration, cleaner skin, staying active and fit. It prevents us from disease. Kill disease and increase your productivity and attention. It gives optimal growth and development to teenagers. It raises healthier and smarter kids. Rule number 7. Drink lots of water. Benefits of drinking lots of water helps to lose weight, healthy skin, fights infection, get rid of body toxins, healthy heart, prevent joint pains and arthritis, boosts energy, prevent constipation, reduce risk of cancer, improved productivity. Rule number 8 is meditation for relaxation. Benefits of meditation and relaxation is linked with feeling less stressed as well as actually lowering the stress hormones. It reverses the aging process, it gives you rapid memory, recalls improves, it makes you more creative with new ideas. In studies, students who are trained in mindfulness meditation achieved better grades. It protects against mental health conditions. Meditation helps us to process emotions. Meditation helps the elderly feel less lonely and reduces genes linked to inflammation. We experience less anxiety as meditation loses connections to particular neutral pathway. Meditation is linked with decreased cigarette, alcohol and drug abuse. Rule number 9 is to develop a habit of book reading. People that live life to the fullest are lifelong learners. They never stop trying new things. One needs to read books and gather knowledge in an effective and efficient manner. Benefits of book reading: it sharpens your mind, increase your vocabulary, lower your stress, decreases your depression, improve your memory and focus, strengthens your writing ability, enhances your imagination, boosts your sleep, enjoy your entertainment and peace. Reading can brighten your day. It gives you mental stimulation. It increases your knowledge. It's a free entertainment. It gives you stronger analytical thinking skills. It reduces stress as well as it improves your focus and concentration. Reading books may send you to peaceful heavens. Books have the power to sharpen your brain. A book is your perfect sleep partner. Reading broadens your imagination. Rule number 10 is always smile. The benefits of smile is it lowers blood pressure, decreases stress, increases mood, enhancing endorphins make you look younger, make you feel more confident, increases productivity, elevates joy, more positive environment to work, play and live, more celebrations, more fun. Studies has proven that people are more attractive while they smile. Smiling puts you in a better mood. Smiling is contagious. Smiling boosts your immune system. Smiling makes you look younger. It burns calories. It makes other people happy. Smiling leads to laughter. It creates positive thinking. So friends, after discussing all these good habits, lastly I would like to say that good habits developed now will last for a lifetime. The quicker you make these habits that you live by, the better life you will experience. It's never too late and an excellent time to focus on new habits that will last for a lifetime.